Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix that the sound from your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE is intermittent or just shudders. So there are a couple of fixes that are important you have to remember about them. At first, try charging your earbuds up to 100%. When they are discharged, they are likely to shudder or just have intermittent sound. Apart from that, if you do have your phone in your pocket, for example, or in your pocket in your jacket, everywhere, try not cover this area, this camera area like this. Try, like, for example, if you do put your phone into your pocket, don't put it like this with camera facing down, but this camera facing up, because you'll cover it less. And why? Why is that? Because here we do have some Bluetooth modules, and if you are trying to pair, you're trying to use your earbuds with your iPhone, it can be easily damaged. This connection can be easily broken. So that's why you don't cover the camera place. Apart from that, apart from the charging and covering the camera, what I do recommend doing, and it's very important to remember, that you have to unpair them, do a factory reset, and restart your device. Everything should be fine then. If it didn't help you have to contact device support, because your device may be just broken and you need them fixed. Goodbye and have a nice day. Hope your earbuds are now fixed.